Hello viewers, welcome to SumanTV. My name is Padmavthi from Sharp Minds Abacus, Narayanguda. Today I am going to teach you about two-digit multiplication. This is going to be one of the easiest method of solving the sums. Okay, so we use some tricks to follow. So the first thing is that we'll draw the patterns. Okay, so according to the patterns we will solve the sum. Okay, so in the first pattern we took 4 dots.
CMR shopping mall మన హైట్ నగర్ లో భాగ్యలత కమాన్ పక్కన ఫిబ్రవరి 29న ప్రముఖ సినీ తారలచే గొప్ప ప్రారంభం.
And see, can you see the last 2 dots I have joined. The second one we have cross multiplication pattern, and the third one we have tens digit multiplication. Okay, so the first step is 7 into 3, because here we have in the last. Okay, so according to the pattern we will take. So 7 into 3 is 21. So whenever we get 2 digits, we have to carry forward the first digit to the next step. So in the next step we have cross multiplication. So 6 into 3, can you see? 6 into 3 plus 7 into 2. So 6 into 3 is 18 plus 7 into 2 is 14. So we have to add both the numbers. That will become 32. Okay, so here we have the first number to be carry forward to the next step. So we will add this to here. So it will become 34. Now also we got 2 digits. Okay, so for that we will add. First we will take the first number and we will carry forward this number to the next step. In the third step we have 6 into 2. So see the pattern. So we will do the same thing, 6 into 2. That will become 12. Okay. So the carry forward number 3 will be added here. So it will become 15. So the answer should be taken from the down. So 1541 is the answer. I'll repeat this sum once again. So according to the patterns we will do the sum. Okay. So first one is 3 into 2. See the pattern. So the last digits we will do multiplication, that is 7 into 3 is 21. Whenever we get 2 digits, we will carry forward 1 digit, the first digit to the next step. In the second step, we have the pattern of cross multiplication. So 6 into 3 plus 7 into 2. So 6 into 3 is 18 plus 7 into 2 is 14. Okay. If you add both the numbers, it will become 32. So the carry forward number 2 should be added here. So it will become 34. Again we got 2 digits. So what we will do in the next step, we have according to the pattern we have to multiply 6 into 2. Yeah. So the tens digits. So 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Okay. So the carry forward number is 3 should be added here. So it will become 15. So we will take the answer from the last. So 1541 is the answer. So 44 into 41. Okay, so first according to the pattern, first we will do unit digit multiplication. So here comes 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. So this is important, but that whenever we get single digit, we have to add a 0 before that. Okay, so whenever we get single digit, we have to put a 0 before that. In the next step, we have cross multiplication. Okay, so 4 into 1 plus 4 into 4. So 4 into 1 is 4 plus 4 into 4 is 16. So this will become 20. Okay. Now we got 2 digits. So whenever we get 2 digits, we will carry forward the first digit to the next step. In the next step, we have 4 into 4. So according to the pattern we will do. So 4 into 4 is nothing but 16. So the carry forward number, that is 2, will be added here. So it will become 18. So the answer is 1804. Okay, again I will explain you one more time. So 44 into 41. So the first step is 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. So the second step is 4 into 1 plus 4 into 4. So 4 into 1 is 4 plus 4 into 4 is 16. That will become 20. So the carry forward number we will add in the next step. Okay. So in this 4 into 4 is 16 plus 2, that is equal to 18. So the answer is 1804. And I want you to do these sums and do comment me about the answers. Okay. 59 into 24 Next sum is 37 into 49. Now 82 into 63. The sums which I had explained, in the same way you will continue and you will solve these sums, okay, with the help of patterns. I want you to do these sums. Okay, thank you.